Welcome to Charles GBT YouTube channel where coding dreams come true. Join me as I work on real life projects. We will dive into C++, Arduino projects for now, and then some projects on other programming languages along the way. Get ready to code, create, and maybe even crash your project a few times. If you are short on time or just want to see the end result, feel free to forward to the end part of the video to see the simulation in action. So, if you have if you are working with this Tinkercad, make sure you are downloading this exact Tinkercad and the dashboard. We are working with circuits, not 3Ds or designs, those circuits. So, or if you are buying the project, you can still do the same thing. Make sure you do your connections. And this is just the I'm going to be using it to clarify the other video I made on the song we were trying to create, because I don't think we had the correct sound, because Tinkercad was slowing down due to my screen recorder. It was slowing down. So I just had to know what's the problem. So I had to get another screen recorder that is not that cool, but I think it runs well with Tinkercad. So if we should get started, make sure you make your connections exactly the same connections. If all the whole music connections we have been doing, it's still the same thing. This time I'm trying to make like a party music, so if it's singing the music, the song, it's it's flashes the RGB lights one after the other. So I've done most of the explanation in my previous video, my 10th video. So this is just for more clarification. I just want to run the simulation to show you guys the full functionality of the music code. So if I should, and I, as I said earlier in my last video, I said that if you love the music and the way we work with Tinkercad, please make sure to subscribe. So if I should run the code, I've told you guys where I got the code from. Just go to Arduino GitHub, search for Arduino songs GitHub, and get your songs from here. So any list of song you want to get, you can just get it from here and use the code for the song. So I didn't write much code on this, just got songs and used it for that. So this is the code. You can see my name, and I cited the place I got the song I wanted to play right now, that I'll be playing right now. So you can see it, right? So this is the code that will be displayed to you guys in the GitHub repository for codes. So you can see this. So my void setup, these all the codes is already written there. So just copy it and paste right in your code, or you can just use mine if you still want to work with happy birthday as like I do. So you can use mine. I'll be posting my code in the comment section. So this is the void setup. Set up everything. The buzzer is an output, the button is an input, and so on. So this is how it goes. The analog set at 0 at startup. So it's just set. Ensure that the RGB LED is off at startup. So my comments are for in case, like, so if I post the code and you don't understand much, you can read my comments and understand what every single line of code does. So this random seed, the random seed is like, let's say it's generating random numbers using an unconnected analog pin. So it's generating random numbers just like in Python you say import random and other things. So this one is just like for C++, and we're using it to run this project. So it's the reason I'm using a random C, so it just generates random values and toggle through the RGB lights. So this, anytime you see this serial does begin 9600, it means that we're going to be printing something in the serial monitor, and for sure we're going to be printing something in the serial monitor. So once we start the program, it will start with this at first when we run the program. System ready, RGB LEDs off at startup. Press the button to play Happy Birthday with a light show. So I added a few functionality of like displaying lights and stuff like that. So that's it. So after the song is played, it says song ended. Press the button again to replay. So if you are, all these projects I'm doing is for IoT or any line you want to do. But if you are working on IoT or Arduino Tinkercad, make sure you subscribe so you can get more of my videos on IoT. So let's run this program. I hope it goes well this time, because the last time I think it was slowing down a little bit. So if I should start this simulation, sorry, if I should start this, it prints this system ready. Full stop. RGB LEDs off at startup. Press the button to play Happy Birthday with a light show. So if I want to start playing the music, I don't know if I should increase the volume or just like, okay, let me just leave it as 40. I hope it goes well. So if I should run this way, okay, let me click the button. Cool, cool. So it's give a good results. So it's gave a good result. So the song ended. Press the button again to replay. Okay, I think I won't press again. So you can just copy the code, run it yourself, do the connections, and play your own Happy Birthday as long as you like. So, or should we play it one more time? Okay, let me just play it one more time for you guys, for those that love it. So make sure, I hope this was a subscription from you guys. So just make sure to subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. And like and comments if you like the music I chose, the Happy Birthday and the no. Okay, let me just run it one last time, then end the video. Okay. Okay, cool. So that's a wrap. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more project-based tutorials. And remember, coding is all about having fun and sometimes pulling your hair out. Keep on coding, and remember, perfect practice makes perfect. And for those of you that don't like stress, just like I do, just click on my CG logo at the bottom right corner of this video to subscribe. So finally, I'm going to give you all a glance into our final project idea, which I am super excited about. So it is just like a phone program. We created a phone, and you can order things online using the phone and things like that. There are just many functionalities that is here. So I've spent a ton of time perfecting the code and simulation, and I'm proud of how it's turned out. But here's the thing, I don't want to just share the code and tutorial with random viewers. I want to make sure that only our loyal subscribers get to see the full functionality and explanation of this project. So if you want to learn and see how we brought this project to life, please hit that subscribe button. Subscribers will get exclusive access to the final project tutorials, and I wouldn't want you to miss out on that. Thanks once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.